Hello Dan. So that's what I mean by your uh, water gathering system. Only one tiny change, as you can see in this tiny model. I just made up just to show you because I think will be like much easier. As well, I trying to write it down, but there was too many notes, so I decided to do it this way. Will be like easier, quicker, and I believe faster. Like now you have something like this, just straight connection. And let's say this is your splash water container, the first few gallons, as you said, and here we have this bowl or bottle, whatever. Anyway, you know how it works now. So, and that's the changed version. As you can see, this joint here, it's 90 degrees and need to be heated with this bottle or something to block it. And if you do it like this way, you will get like natural barrier made of just water, and all things will just go directly, all this debris and not wanted stuff will go directly here and collected in here. So you don't need any filters, like I mean mechanical filters, something like that, because self water will be filter. Okay, so let's look how it works. So let's say this is our rainwater, and this is your container for water. Stand. And even though when stop raining, see, the water level is in here, so it's always a closed system even though it's raining. So there can be more water and self pressure just pushing this clean water inside. So what if you got debris? I just prepare some like peelings from the onions. So let's say this is leaves, so let's just drop it in. So this is our light stuff what's floating on the water, but as you can see there's still nothing in the bowl. When it just stop raining, it stay on the top of the water. After some time they will soak in water and just go directly down. I don't have any stones or something heavier, but I just prepare like bunch of tiny screws, as you can see. So let's say this is like stones and heavier stuff. Just drop it in. No, something I didn't hit one inside. It fall out somewhere. Anyway, see, that's the way how it works. So let's stop the rain, and as you can see, all these peels like leaves or light things floating in here, but need to go all the way down after some time when they but self water level is like here. All heavy stuff go directly down, light stuff float on the water. After some time they just go down. Anyway, all our stuff, just to clean up this, you just need to open your inspection downstairs where you have this how we call it, this entrance for bowl or bottle or whatever. But no, before I open it up, see, there's nothing in our bowl, just water. I knew that. See, some of the peeling already, it go down because I just emptied the water. Anyway, but still all our debris, like heavy stuff, is in here, all the way at the bottom. So yes, that's it. Only tiny change and much less filters you need. And yeah, that's what I meant last time. And I prefer you to use this kind of pipe with this gummy connections. It's easy to assemble, disassemble, whatever. So only one T connection with 45 degrees facing up, and another 45 degrees to just straight it up, or you can just go and go 90 degrees and go directly down. So but this is up to you, no difference actually. So that's it done. I hope this will help you a little bit to maintain your systems, and yeah, take care, see you.